Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, January 9th, which means you only have a little bit more than a month before we get to Valentine's Day. So it's time to talk about it. The first thing we have here is the I Love Ombre Metallic by V& Company kit by Moda. And I do like to open up the Moda kits because I can show you all the beautiful fabric that is in the kit. And it is really fun. So it does have some metallic on it. And look at that beautiful range of colors you get in this kit. The kit has enough fabric for the top and binding, and I have found with kits that come from Moda that I also have enough fabric for the backing many times when you want to piece your back together. So that is available and ready to go. And then we also have the door banner of the month for February from Riley Blake Designs. This finishes at 20 inches by 36 inches, so perfect for a front door or an inside door in your house. And this also comes with the fabric for the banner top and binding. And then over here, we've got 3 new Valentine's fabrics to share with you. Believe it or not, these are batiks, and they're called Love Notes. We love these charming batiks in shades of pink and red, featuring stamps, envelopes, and lots of hearts. And this is by Banyan Batiks. And I actually want to open it up to see what the other side looks like, because that's the fun thing about batiks is you get 2 sides to each fabric. So the inside is a little more muted looking. But I actually like how the envelopes, you can see the little tiny lines on the envelopes. And again, here's the outside of that same piece. So that's what we have for you today. Hopefully you found something you can love. And we'll be back here from the shop tomorrow with more fabric and fun for you. Bye.